Hi everybody, in this video I will show you how to correctly paste values in Excel, giving some examples. So this is my example where in the first column I have mass and in the second column I have the volume and I want to calculate density. So how do I calculate density? Density equals mass, click mass divided by click the volume and then hit enter, you get the density. And then you click this, go to the bottom right, there is small square, you put your cursor plus sign and you drag. These are the different values of density. So now what we want to do is we want to copy these values and paste in another column. Let's say I want to paste here. Go and paste, and then paste again, paste again, paste again. So I'm pasting, but what I see is I did not see these the exact values. So these are our values. So now I will show you how to correctly paste these values. So you go here, you copy this, we already copied, and let me paste here. So in order to correctly paste, what you have to do is you go to right click. So I say copy again, copy. You go here, then you have to go to this option, values, paste option, and then you have to go to values. And now we can see these values here and these values here are exactly same. You can paste them again. Okay, we can paste, copy, paste, paste. We can see the same values. So, however, if you are using these values here, copy these values. In this one, we didn't use formula. You can paste. You can use this value first. Can you see? You put the first one is fine. Either you do this paste option, the first one, or values, you will get the same values. But in this case, since we use formula here, we have to do paste and then values. And I will show you one more thing. Let me remove this 1.05 here. Let me delete that. And then you can see some error here. And so what is this error? You can see error here, but not here. When you paste value, you don't see errors. So this error, now you click here and you can see this is divide by zero error. That means if this cell is empty or zero, it will show this error. Let me put zero here, whether we can see the same thing. We can see the same thing. And if we paste the values here, we don't see the error. Thank you for watching. See you next time.